Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to make banana and honey face mask. So let's get started. Did you know that banana coupled with honey can do wonders for your skin? Bananas packed with potassium and vitamin A, B, E and hydrate your skin, treat acne and even combat aging. And honey is a natural antibacterial brimming with an antioxidant that slows down aging, boosts complexion and create a radiant glow. So ready to experience the magic of these ingredients will guide you on how to make a simple and effective facial mask using these two ingredients. To create this mask you need only two ingredients, a ripe banana and 2 tablespoons of honey. You might wonder why specifically a banana? Well, as banana ripen, they develop more of antioxidant and are easier to mash. They are a powerhouse of nutrients packed with vitamin A, B and E, making them great for skin nourishment and hydration. Now let us talk about honey. For organic honey, it's unprocessed, pure and retains higher nutrient content. Honey, known for its natural antibacterial and smoothing properties, can help improve your skin texture and tone. Moving on the preparation, it's as easy as pie. Start by peeling the ripe banana and mashing it in a bowl until it becomes a smooth paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey to the mashed banana and mix until well combined. There you have it. Now you have your ingredients prepared. Let's move on to the next step. Creating this facial mask is as easy as pie. Let's get started. The first step is to take your ripe banana and mash it up. You don't need a blender or food processor for this. A simple fork will do the trick. Just keep mashing until you have a smooth, lump-free consistency. Remember, the smoother your banana mash, the easier it will be to apply the mask on your face. Next, it's time to add in honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps keep your skin moisturized by sealing it in moisture. Pour in 2 tablespoons of honey into your mashed banana. It might look a bit sticky, but that's exactly what you want. The stickiness will help the mask adhere to your face, allowing the ingredients to really sink in and do their magic. Now here comes the fun part. Mix, mix, mix. You want to mix the banana and honey together until they form a smooth paste together until it might take a bit of elbow grease, but trust me, it's worth it. As you mix, you will see the banana and honey combine to create golden creamy concoction. It should be thick enough to stick to your face without dripping off. If the mixture is too runny, don't worry. Just add a bit more mashed banana until you reach the right consistency. And if it's too thick, easy, just add a bit more honey. Remember, this is your mask. Feel free to adjust the recipe to suit your preferences. Once you are happy with the consistency, take a step back and admire your handiwork. You have just created a nourishing, all natural face mask with just two simple ingredients. How cool is that? Your banana honey face mask is ready, but how do you use it? Let's find out. Applying the mask is just as easy as making it. Begin by ensuring your face is clean. This helps to improve any makeup, dirt, or oil that might interfere with the absorption of the mask nutrients. Once you're ready, apply the banana and honey mask evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Now it's time to relax. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the ingredient enough time to penetrate your skin and work their magic. When time's up, wash off the mask with warm water. Be gentle, don't scrub, simply rinse. Until all the mask is gone, then pat your face dry. You'll immediately feel the difference. Your skin will be hydrated, glowing, and softer to touch. It's magic of banana and honey. Straight from your kitchen to your skin. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement to your skin, health and appearance. So there you have it, a simple DIY facial mask that will give you a glowing and healthy skin. These two ingredients wonder made from everyday items like banana and honey not only hydrate your skin but also fights off acne. It's natural, cost-effective solution that worth trying. So why not whip up your banana honey mask experience the magic firsthand? Now let's discuss the importance of banana honey anti-aging mask. As we have discussed earlier, the way of making the banana honey face mask. We also have discussed the way to apply this paste on your face and its effectiveness for our skin. This mask is a great natural moisturizer for your skin. You will instantly have soft and supple skin. The vitamin A present in bananas restores the lost moisturizer and repairs damaged, dry, and dull skin. They contain super wrinkle fighting nutrients that help fade age spots and prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. It gently nourishes, exfoliates, and protects mature skin and keeps the skin youthful. This mask is an excellent home remedy for treating acne, pimples, and dark spots. You can reduce them and even out general skin discoloration by applying this mask regularly. Honey used in this mask moisturizes the top layer of the skin. The extra moisture can help improve wrinkles. Honey antioxidant properties help delay skin aging. Honey also makes the skin smooth and hydrating, reducing fine lines. Honey helps remove dirt from the skin, and it does it without stripping the natural oils. It also helps to lighten dark spots and blemishes. Let's have a look on banana honey face mask in curing dry skin. It also helps to cure cracked and infected skin. Keep your skin moisturized. It helps us to be away from store-bought treatments as they are expensive and ineffective. One amazing recipe that is cost efficient and effective is banana honey face mask. Why banana is good for dry skin? It contains vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, improve skin elasticity, prevent aging, reduce dark spots and blemishes. Why honey is good for dry skin? It contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties.